Today we will be learning how to check similarity between the two identical datasets. That means the dataset containing same variables. So you can see left hand side I have listed two datasets. So if I import this dataset, you can see there are a number of variables. If I browse this, you can see there are a lot of variables with value level and variable levels. What actually we want to do right now, we want to check the similarity with an identical dataset naming telecounseling and inline_2.dta. Before going to check this, we want to see how much these datasets are identical. Doing this, we need to use function, and at the end of this line we have to write clear. I know that it is very hard for you to remember all things. Just see again the name of the variables and the name of the values. So I'm going to at the end. Now we should import this one. You can see here there are similar variables. But it is very much difficult to identify one by one, or to check one by one whether these variables are different from other or not. That is why we should use efficient way. So what is the efficient way? The efficient way is use cf underscore. That means I am calling all variable. So if I log this on by putting a star before the use, it will be logged. Now what actually we need to do, we need to import the dataset again. Then if I run this on, what will be happen, we will see. So that's mean there are no differences between these two datasets. So what actually we need to do this to check, so to prove that this code actually works, we intentionally will change some values of the variable. Suppose we are going to edit the data, we'll go there, edit. So try to remember that we are going to sense from here. So I'll put here 5 instead of 4. 5. Then we'll sense from here. Just try to remember, we have sensed the values from mas_1_on and mas_4. So we can sense another one. Suppose we will sense from here 3, we'll put here 4, 5. So let's try to run the code again. So we need to see this paper. Now you can see the changes. Okay. Can you please remember why actually we changed? That's mean between these two datasets there are 3 changes. We intentionally did this. Where? LS ID, ms underscore 1 underscore 1 and ms underscore 1 underscore 4. We intentionally did this to check whether this code working or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. I think this video will be helpful for you.